it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Deva Bratt. Yes, Deva. Actually, factually, me's a boy a bungler girl. Tivoli a reba jungler girl. No Zoom can call me jungler girl. Late night, never call me humble girl. Yeah, you know the bad song there? Yeah. Over there with the homage. Yes, Deva Bratt with homage. So we see Vybz Kartel go up on the fix. Big up the fix then. Big up Naro, Harry, Javi, big up on himself. We see the G go up on the fix and them asking about Deva. So Deva is the original member of Portmore Empire. Basically, them man started until Kartel step in and make it bigger. So we see Kartel say, yo, the G a rape and Ray, blah, blah, blah. So we see him in a suit here. Remember showing the suit? We see him in a suit here, forward out, and I see a bag of things. So, me shock for see video. Well, song in the same suit. So, what is it? I don't know. I can jump in it and see what going on, man. Let's go. All the binds I got fling. Let's go.
Crucial conflict. Actually. Alright, well.
Never back bad in a dog. No man joking, never back to that. Ready?
It a record. It a tape. The buckshot pebble them bigger than a grape. No, you.
Hold on, the man. It a record. It a tape. Guys and a rape. So him turn it on him say it a record. It a tape. The buckshot bigger than a grape. Buying start and it just start, you know. What to say?
It a record. It a tape.
Yeah.
The buckshot pebble them bigger than a grape. No use and a body na fuck pan the Gaza. But Hansman brother never straight. What am I trying?
But never fuck man the Gaza. We born soldiers here to God. Nobody can fuck man the Gaza. So Hansman brother never straight. That's how the just say yes, so him a go know cause the fat that's so empowered from.
You send a body na fuck pan the Gaza. But Hansman brother never straight. What am I trying to do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. And bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create calm.
Bumbleclaw. Call the police.
Pull up. Yo.
Jamaica's worst game.
Call the police.
Actually. Factually.
Call the police.
Alright, well. Okay, then. Hey, it a record. It a tape. The buckshot pebble them bigger than a grape. No use and a body na fuck pan the Gaza. But Hansman brother never straight. What am I trying to do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. And bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage to damage them can't manage. Them never want show Deva Bratt no homage. So what them I do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish.
So the man say, yo, them never want to show Deva Bratt no homage. So the man say, teacher never want to show him no homage. Him show everybody else homage, so what happened to him? He must say, yo, you say you fall out of prison and say you're good with everybody, so why you try to drag my name to the dirt? Oh, rape. This is how the G said.
Bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage to damage them can't manage. Brain a go fly like partridge. Hey, little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want finyam.
Jamaica's worst game.
The man said little body, big head, quagmire. Yo! Little body, big head, quagmire. No, you're going too far, my G. You're going too far. Let's go.
Bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage to damage them can't manage. Brain a go fly like partridge. Hey, little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want finyam the girl them pussy like a vampire.
Say you want to name the girl and pussy like a vampire. Little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to name the girl and pussy like a vampire.
Aya, addy, ya not daddy in my fuck. Aya, I tell man fi eat the red flag. Aya, so.
Addy, I not daddy in my fuck. Aya, I tell man fi eat. No, Addy, well, wait. Me no want miss nothing in a dog.
Hey, little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to name the girl them pussy like a vampire. Some fire, addy, ya not daddy in my fuck. Aya.
Addy, ya not daddy in my frog. Aya. I tell man fi eat dick. In my what?
I tell man fi eat the red flag, I ya fuck.
Red flag.
Columbia necktie, back by your brain jump out top frog face when the mug fire, Glock fire.
Well, I remember just said this. This is not the first this song Deva Bratt a shoot off of Vybz Kartel with. This is not the first. Him been a do it. Even before Adi got prison, him been a do it. So Deva Bratt lyrically inclined. We know that. Did he just get a blackball, brother? Them just blackball him out of the music, bro.
Columbia necktie, back by your brain jump out top frog face when the mug fire, Glock fire, Mac fire, what fire? And when the dopey fly gone, me no stop fire. So what am I do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish and bust one in them head that make them vanish. Create carnage, to damage them can't manage. Them never wash out never rat no homage. So what am I do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish and bust one in them head that make them vanish. Create carnage.
So the boss basically come out and I defend him name, bro. The man forward and I say, yo, them a try to tarnish my name, bro. Me not gonna sit down and have that. No way, let's go.
Damage them can't manage. Brain not gonna fly like partridge. Secure and zebra get charged and sentence. You and Sean get charged and sentence. You return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up the fever, then rank thing you go mention.
Jacure and Zebra get charged and sentenced. You and Sean Storm, get charged and sentenced. No, you got beat. No, him say something after that. Hold on, no one hear him say again.
You and Zebra get charged and sentenced. You and Sean get charged and sentenced. You return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up the fever, then rank thing you go mention.
Man, I tell the man I say, yo, you go drink up the fever. Obviously, Kartel rum. Yes? You go drink up the fever. And a rank thing you out here mention. Wait.
I couldn't lick at them a drink, I must see mad suspicious. Shorty, see them a give fat puss kiss.
I couldn't lick at them a drink, I must see mad suspicious. Normally, where my drink? I'm mad puss piece. No, I must say, yo, I'm a mad puss piece in this case. A mad sus piece. And Shorty catch him a give fat. And Shorty catch it. Shorty see him a give fat cat. Yo.
Couldn't lick at them a drink, I must see mad sus piece. Shorty, see them a give fat puss kiss. The gun.
The man say Shorty catch a kiss pum pum. Teacher, I know me a say it, bro. The man a say, never better say it, dog. Never better, never. Yo! Nah, look, nah, look.
Them a drink, I must see mad suspicious. Shorty, see them a give fat puss kiss. The gun them a clap and no pram push this. The bushmaster get the you can't ambush this. The man them shoulda duck you with a big pan of shit. You come from prison with a 18 a bit.
Him said a part here in the reply when they talk. Not a suit here. The man them shoulda duck you with a big pan of with a big pan of piece. Big pan of shit. Wait.
The man them shoulda duck you with a big pan of shit. You come from prison with a 18 a bit. We know your DNA did have some freak in a it. In a white under your nose, no make no banana slip.
Wait.
The man them shoulda duck you with a big pan of shit. You come from prison with a 18 a bit. We know your DNA did have some freak in a it. In a white under your nose, no make no banana slip.
In a way under your nose. Kartel always say, under my nose, I'm out. So you must say, in a way under your nose.
We know your DNA did have some freak in a it. In a way under your nose, no make no banana slip. Bust appeal, you shoulda get 15 years more. You touch Lisa hype from 15 years old. The AR.
Bust appeal, you shoulda get 15 years more. You touch Lisa hype when she have 15 years old. Him also did mention this in him reply when oh my God. Teacher, if you big up everybody, why never big up Deva Bratt and done, my G? We have to speak the truth. Big up Kartel, big up teacher. In the same interview, you also say, yo, stop on me with my mic, brother. Yo, me not this guy that talk to me, G. In the same interview, you also say, Jackior are your favorite singer. But yeah, big up Jackior. Jackior get charged. Jackior get charged and spend time for rape. So your G right here, so. Awagwan. Your D1 right here, so Awagwan. You understand?
15, it's 15 years old. More. You touch under your nose, no make no banana slip. What's appeal? You shoulda get 15 years more. You touch Lisa hype from 15 years old. The AR 15, it's 15 years old. Me clap it, pan rapid and hit the near toll. Tarnish me name, me rise the rifle, them we varnish. Bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage, do damage, them can't manage. Them never wash out, never rat no homage. It a record, it a tape, the book shot. Pebble them bigger than a grape. No you say nobody can't fuck pan the Gaza, but you want Jaden, me see I go pan date. Wait.
No you say nobody can't fuck pan the Ghana, but you want pan the Gaza, but you want Jaden, me see I go pan. Teacher.
You say nobody can't fuck pan the Gaza, but you want Jaden, me see I go pan date. Wait, it a record. It a tape, the book shot, pebble them bigger than a grape. No you say nobody nah fuck pan the Gaza, but Ansman brother never straight. What am I trying for? Hey, little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some fire, addy, you know daddy, in my fuck. I tell man fi eat the red flag. So Columbia necktie, back wire, brain jump out, top frag face when the mug fire. Glock fire, Mac fire, what wire? All when the dopey fly gone, me no stop fire. Fire. Tarnish me name, me rise the rifle, them we varnish. Bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage, do damage, them can't manage. Them never wash out, never rat no homage. Homage, homage. Homage, homage.
Yo. Teacher. You hear me answer, G? You never answer that question there. When them they ask you that. About Deva Bratt. But you just said Deva Bratt good. God, Deva Bratt not gonna make this slide, brother. I'm not gonna make it go. I'm not gonna let it go. Deva Bratt is a person like this. He's been shooting after you from day one. Him not care, like since you had him followed from them time there in the whole heap of song. People are not gonna do the research. Just type in Deva Bratt this Kartel and you hear a whole heap of song. Him have one way say, go with your peeping neck, you freak. You soon die. Yo, him have a whole heap of song with Kartel. Teacher, yo, you fought from prison and you say, yeah, everybody good. So what happened to Deva? That's how the G say, yo, like, homage. What is homage there? Yeah, everybody good apart from Deva Bratt. Deva Bratt now gonna have that with G. Deva Bratt, big up your bumbo class, with G. Big up yourself. Deva Bratt, I do what anybody else would have do. I defend them name, bro. Can't fight the G. If the man I defend him name, the man now gonna make you sit down and talk about him name like that. Especially in a public and I say nothing. Knowing the person who Deva Bratt is, I saw this forwarding. I saw this forwarding even before it forward. Me know I'm gonna drop a song for it. Me know. People, what do you think in the comment section? And Gaza fans, and music me say, just a react. You see me? Yeah, but just a react. So, put yourself in Deva Bratt shoes. Would you make somebody talk bad for your name and don't defend it? Let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.